Hello, and welcome to the Office of Compliance Monitoring and Evaluation training tutorial on how to complete the SF-425 report in the new Lightning interface of the CDFI Funds Award Management Information System, also known as AMIS. Before we get into the specific compliance report training, we would like to show you where you can locate the updated user guides. On the CDFI Funds website, select the Tools and Resources link on the upper right-hand corner. On the Tools and Resources page, select the AMIS link, and then select the AMIS Training Materials link. On this page, you will find training manuals and tutorials, which will help you navigate the new Lightning version of AMIS. You can also access the program-related compliance reports, which are located on either Step 4 or 5 under the applicable program pages. For example, to access the CDFI Fund program, select Programs and Training, select CDFI Program, and then Step 5. Here you will find information on compliance, resources, and reporting for managing your CDFI federal award. A few things to note before we get started. Recipients are encouraged to have a copy of their assistance agreement available to reference for each award. A recipient that has received a CDFI program award must submit compliance reports as required by the assistance agreement. If you have questions regarding the reporting requirement in your assistance agreement or require technical assistance, please submit a service request via your organization's AMIS account. Throughout the period of performance covered by the awards assistance agreement, recipients must provide to the CDFI Fund an annual report, which comprises two parts: the financial condition reports and the performance reports. Each of these reports may be comprised of multiple components. Please note, you will only need to submit organizational level reports once per fiscal year, even if your organization has multiple awards. Reports that may be required at the organization level include the financial statement audit report, the single audit report, transaction level report, and shareholder report. Reports that may be required at the award level include the performance progress report, uses of award report, and SF-425 report. During today's webinar, we will demonstrate how to submit a new SF-425 report. Now, let's get started. Once you have logged into your organization's AMIS account, select the awards link at the top of the screen, and under Awards Recently Viewed, select the drop-down box and select All. This will bring up all of the awards for your organization. Select the appropriate awards link. From the awards detail page, select Related and scroll down to the SF-425 section. Select the appropriate SF-425 report link based on the reporting period start date and the reporting period end date. On the SF-425 detail page, select Edit. On this page, you will enter data into the federal cash, federal fiscal year disbursements field, and federal cash cumulative disbursements field. In the federal cash, federal fiscal year disbursements, you should enter the amount of federal fund disbursements by your organization between the reporting period start date and reporting period end date referenced in the SF-425 detail page. Disbursements are the sum of actual cash disbursements for direct charges. And under the federal cash cumulative disbursements field, you should enter the cumulative amount of federal funds disbursements by your organization as of the award announcement date through the period reporting end date referenced in the SF-425 detail page. Disbursements are the actual sum of cash disbursements. Once you have entered that data in those data fields, you'll need to select the attestation sign box. Please note, by selecting this box, you are attesting that you have attached the project cost ledger that corresponds with the federal fiscal year disbursements reporting on this SF-425, that you are an authorized representative, that any information or data provided to the CDFI fund that is entered into AMIS is true, accurate, and complete, and accurately represents the activities and/or performance of your organization, and that you are compliant with all applicable assurances, certifications, representations, and warranties, covenants, and agreements set forth in the assistance agreement, or alternatively, has notified the CDFI fund of your inability to be compliant with the provisions of your assistance agreement by submitting a material event notification. Now click Save. Once you have returned to the SF-425 detail page, select the related link, and under the notes and attachment, click Upload Files. This is where you will select your project report cost ledger for upload into AMIS. Click Open. You have now uploaded your project cost ledger to your SF-425 record in AMIS. Once the SF-425 has been reviewed by the CDFI fund, they will contact you if any additional information is needed. Under the Principal view, select the down arrow key and submit for approval. Your SF-425 has been submitted successfully for approval. Thank you for taking the time to watch this compliance tutorial on how to complete the SF-425 report and the Lightning version of AMIS. If you have any additional questions, please submit a service request through AMIS.